As you can see, I start out with my CSV file, which is in the proper structure. I then go to my Hootsuite. I go to my publisher. I go to Content, Bulk Composer. I select my file, Phil Gellin. By the way, I'd like to know how to get rid of this. This is something that's no longer valid. It was something I did a long time ago when I was testing you folks. But I select my file. I select my file to upload. I say Review Posts. I say Schedule All Posts. It's uploading them. I say View Scheduled Posts. Now, rather than try to work with them in here, I go to my streams. I scroll down to my posts that I want to review first. November 1st was already in there. November 2nd were the ones that I've uploaded. I do read more to see if I get any of my problems that I have. So far, we've not found any of the problems that I'm having. Okay, here's what I'm talking about now. Here are quotes, and I get these X's. So I have to go in here. I have to edit. I have to come in here. I have to put my quote in. Replace the X's. This is very tedious. Here is an apostrophe. So there were the examples of the quotes. There's an example of an apostrophe. I have to save the edits. Come back and check it again. Come in here and do read more. Understand, I did 50 of these. Here's another one. I've got to go in. There's a bunch in here. Okay, I was talking about, talking about a quote here, 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 an apostrophe here, a quote here, an apostrophe here, a quote, and a quote. Again, I have to now save that. That was a major repair I had to do. That's a pain to have to do that. I think you can appreciate what I'm talking about. I had it set up, I believe, correctly in my CSV file. Here's again another one. This is an apostrophe. This is only a single correction, but you can see a minute ago that I had a whole bunch in one of those that I had to do. Continue through, read more. That one's okay. Here's another one. Again, these are quotes. Come down here. Good. Good. And understand, a lot of times it will not, it'll do it correctly. I don't have to make any change to fix it. Okay, again, quotes. I'm trying to get to one where it has the ellipsis. But the ellipsis is nothing more than these three dots right here. And it does that as well. If I find one, I'll show you. But it will not put in the ellipsis. Here's again another one that's just a simple quote. There it is. It's corrected because that was the one I corrected. Here, this is again just a simple quote, but I have to come in and fix it. Again, a simple quote. I can't believe that I'm not the only one that's had this problem. Now here's an example of the ellipsis. It's really important, dot, 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 period, period, period. That's an example of ellipsis. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to end the video now because I've shown you the problems we've had. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video, but I will include the CSV file that I did to show you here today so you can see what I'm talking about.